Hey everyone, I'm Jia. Welcome back to another card trick video. I know it's been a long time I didn't make card trick videos because I'm learning this for months. And I'm sorry if the audio is a little bit noisy in the background because it's raining out there and I've been waiting for the rain to stop for like few hours and it doesn't stop. So I'm fine. I had to proceed in the video anyway. So as you guys can see here, a red deck, and all these cards are nothing. There's no duplicates, no gimmicks. Just a normal deck. Alright. So I learned this trick from Spidey
Hypnosis.
and it's very cool. That's the first video I saw from him. Link in the description. He got the tutorial. You guys can go and learn it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to make, so now we have two piles, right? So I'm gonna make a something like Pharaoh shuffle. I always fail at this. I don't know why. It's like to mix up the cards up and oh damn it. Give me a few seconds. Give me a few seconds. Shit. Come on. Come on, cards. You can do it. Some of the cards are damaged. Is it in? Is it in? No. Wait, what's wrong? What's wrong? Hello? Why is it? Why I can't push the cards? Okay. Okay, now we are done. Now we are done. I think some of the cards got damaged in the process. Shit. Anyway, so every 3 cards I cut, I can cut an ace out. You guys believe me? No? Alright. Here we go. 1. Look, this card is damaged. I need to buy a new deck. 2 and 3. Ace. Maybe I'm lucky, you guys can say. Okay, we're gonna do a second time. So ready to go. 1 joker. 2 and 3. Lucky? I don't think so. So let's go move on to the third one. I think I can do it. 1 queen, 2 and 3. Here we go, another one. Alright, so let's move on to the last one. Since I got 3, I think the last one is okay. 1 2 and damn it! Why 7 flip? No, why? I messed up. I not only damaged my card, but I messed up. Fine. What if I can change this 7 to an ace? No, I can't change that. Flip. So anyway, if I can't change this 7 to ace, I will change the aces to 7. So let's watch. And as you guys can see, the aces have changed to 7. And not only that, as you guys know, just now there are some face up cards and some face down cards, but now there are only 4 face down cards and others are face up. So what are these 4 face down cards, you ask? Yeah, the 4 aces. Okay, I'm not done yet. So I'm gonna take a blue thing here and I'm gonna put this whole deck on top of it, and we're gonna wait for a couple seconds. I think it's done already. So as you guys can see, the deck turned into blue. And it's not just one card, but the whole deck is blue. And only these 4 cards are red. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like it. Link in the description. Check out Spidey Hypnosis as well. He's a very great card trickster, I guess. Yeah, other than Shinlim, alright. So hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.